Oh, shit. Yo, go ahead and crack that window. Oh, shit.
Hey, bro, do a flip.
No.
Oh, shit. Got a boy. Oh.
Hello, sir. Have a good day. Actually, wait a minute. You missed the bug. But I got you, homeboy. Hold on.
Oh! Zauberei komm, jetzt, komm, jetzt, pam.
1、2、3、4，我想要带你去浪漫的土耳其，然后一起去等。
Anda logo. Mano, tu é muito burro. Anda logo, cara. Eu quero tomar banho.
Thanks.
Hey, give her a lip, bro. Give her.
Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Right into your mind. Deja vu. I just been in this place before. Higher on the street.
Время ожидания может составить более минуты. Здравствуйте, меня зовут Ольга. Чем я могу вам помочь?
Hey, you still got a stick in there. Hey, you still got a stick in there, yo. Hey, you still got a stick in there.
Oh my god, you have to check this out. I dragged this all the way from Amazon. It's pretty cool, right? I just wanted to show it to you.
Pampered all night, it's gonna be me.
I want that room, Gina. You can't push me around.
Fabiano Gomes, eu quero a vaga de Teseu. This is Rand Avenue, Newcastle.
Yes. Yes. So much yes. His energy is just so much. Do you smoke a lot?
Most of the time.
You don't smoke a lot, right?
Nah.
Do you smoke a lot?
No.
Not at all?
Sometimes I do, but not all the time.
No, you never smoke, right?
No. Once in a while I do it.
You don't smoke, right?
I smoke sometimes. Sometimes I do, once in a while. I never
Lester,
smoke.
do you smoke?
Me? No, never. Once in a blue moon.
Bass. MC Monkey on the mic, yes I was sitting in the gaff and I had no fucking clue. Yes, I had to do something to do.
What? What are you saying? Are you saying what's up? Can you say what's up? What's up?
As it sounds.
Crunches, when it crunches, that's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Pew.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know where the cameras are?
Oh yeah, come over here.
Okay. Hey, what? Oh, hey, why are we running? Hey, why the fuck are we going so fast? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, bro. Hey, dude, I'm trying to look for the cameras. Hey, where the cameras? What the fuck? Hey, hey, chill, bro. Chill. Hey, come over here, bro. Hey, where the fuck are the cameras? I'm trying to look for the cameras. Why are you fucking running? Bro, where are the cameras? Oh, where are the fucking cameras at? Where the cameras at? Tell me where the...
Right here, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Of course.
It's your boy Soldier Boy in Dubai. Look at that camel behind me though, scratching his neck. Turn up. I got the Louis shoes dirty, goddamn!
Look at this shit go. God almighty.
Okay, here we go.
Holy fucking shit, some idiot put the firework the wrong way and it blew the whole tube up. Freaking idiot, man.
Yes! Yes! I'm walking a frog on a leash! Yes! This is awesome! Yeah!